Welcome back guys, welcome to Command Palette. Today I'm gonna show you how you can install WordPress on WAMP server. You can use it locally. So without any further delay, I'm gonna show you how you can install WordPress in the WAMP server. So what you gonna need to do is download WAMP server from their official website. Type WAMP server download on the Google. Open the first link that display and download from here if you are using 64-bit, or download this one 32-bit if you are using 32-bit version of Windows. So I have already downloaded it, so I'm gonna install it. It's 64-bit version because my Windows is 64-bit. I'm going to install it. So it's getting delay. Yes, click on yes. So my default language is English, so I'm okay with it. I click on OK. Please accept the agreement. If you want to read it, you can. Then please click on next and click on next. You can change the directory if you want to, but the default directory that comes with the installation, which is a C drive, and within the C drive there is a WAMP 64-bit folder where this installation will be done. So I'm okay with this. Let's click on next. And the folder, I have already installed this WAMP before, so it's showing that WAMP 64 folder is already exist. So I just click install anyway. Yes, okay. So I let me delete this folder for 1 second. Yeah, I have deleted it successfully. It's deleting. So yes, so click on next. If you want to use older PHP version, there is 7.0.33, 7.1.33. If you want to install older version, you can take on that version you want to use, or you can go with the default installation. So I'm going to click on next and install. So it's installing. While it's installing, we can do some other thing. We need to download WordPress from their official website. So you have to type WRD WordPress download. Click on download. Sorry, it's not the version I want to. It's went to the plugin section. Yeah, click on download wordpress.org. Download this version, download WordPress, and it's begin to download. I have already downloaded it, so I'm gonna cancel the download. So here I download this WordPress version. So I extract to the desktop. It's extracting. So what you need to do is do it properly as I doing this. iExplorer.exe, Internet Explorer, will be used as browser of WAMP server. If you want to change it, then click on yes. I want to change it. Then you go to you can choose any browser that you are using. I prefer Google Chrome, so I went to the C drive and find the Google Chrome installation directory. Then select google chrome.exe and it's saying notepad as their default text editor, so I agree with this, so I click on no. So it's about to done. So I expect this WordPress folder here on desktop. Let's copy this first. Let's copy this all directory. Let's copy this and let's wait for 20 to 30 seconds. uh, it's happening, it's something doing the installation, finishing the installation. Yeah, it's done without any error, without anything complication. Finished. Click on WAMP server. Let's go to for tutorial purpose, go to my computer, go to C drive, then or C drive, my default directory was WAMP64 in the C drive. If you change your drive, then go to WAMP64 installation, WAMP installation, and then go to www, then create a folder. If you want to name as your project that you are working on, so I testing, I named this as testing, and I pasted all the file that I copied earlier from desktop WordPress install WordPress extracted folder. So it's copying. While it's copying, I open WAMP installation here. I click on WAMP server, it's opening. So it's red now, it will turn to green in a few moments. Yeah, it's turned to orange, then it will turn to green. Yeah, it's turned to green. Then click on PHP my admin. We are going to make a database for our WordPress that that the installation will use as their default database. So it's my localhost / php my admin, and its default credential is root and password is blank. Then click on go. It's your default username, root is your default username, and blank password you need to enter in the php my admin. Then go to database and name whatever you want to. I want to name testing, testing, testing as my database, and I hit create. So see, let's see, testing has been created as my database. So what I need to do, next you have to enter localhost, localhost localhost / testing. I'm sorry. / testing. Yeah, I did something wrong. So it's opening. Yeah, this WordPress installation process has been opened. Click on continue if you are okay with English. If you want to change your language, then you can also choose Hindi as your language, whatever language you want to select, then continue. And welcome to the WordPress. Before getting started, we need some information on the database. So now you have to put those credential we created earlier. So our database name is testing. Here we created the testing uh, database. And what is in the username field, you have to put root, because the root is the phpMyAdmin's default username. So you have to put phpMyAdmin username in the username section of the WordPress installation, and the password should be blank. As I told you, my phpMyAdmin password is nothing, blank. So click on submit. Alright Sparky, run the installation, everything is okay. So run on installation. So now we have to put something about your website. What's your website is about? My website is to testing purpose, tutorial purpose. So I can enter testing for my YouTube. And what username you have to choose, what username is okay for you. So I am okay with the admin, because I don't need to publish this on my hosting or internet. I'm using it locally. So my password is anything, can be admin or something. Let's hide it, sorry. So I can change my password. So my password is very simple. I created it, confirm use of weak password. So I can use this. So I discourage search engine from indexing this site. I click on this because I don't want to I don't want search engine to discover this website. But if you are planning to launch this site on internet after you created successfully in the local machine, then you should not check this. You should not check this button if you are planning to launch this website on the internet. So I put my email, so I can use this weak password here. So click on install WordPress and the installation begin. Yeah, so admin and your password, success, WordPress has been installed successfully. Click on login and put the username that you have created and the password. Click on login. Tantana. Sorry. Your WordPress you have successfully installed the WordPress in your machine locally. You can see this website, hello world. This is your WordPress, your website title. This is testing for my YouTube. I created this, and if you want, I will show you in the later tutorial how you can change themes. You can change plugin, how you use plugin, how you use theme, and how to customize theme, widgets, menu, background, theme editor. I will show you everything in the next tutorial. This is my first tutorial on WordPress installation, so I will make a full series of WordPress. I will create 20 to 30 videos on WordPress, so please stay tuned, and please like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon so you can so you got a notification of my latest release. Thank you for watching.